Hello, this is Mrs. Workman. Solve 4x squared plus 100 equals 0. Let's recopy that quadratic equation first. One way to solve this equation is to solve for x by isolating the 4x squared term first. So I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides. And then I'm going to isolate that x squared by dividing both sides by 4. And we're solving for x, not x squared, so I want to undo the squaring. And to do that, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. On the right, I'd have plus or minus the square root of negative 25. Now on the left-hand side, the square rooting and the squaring are inverse operations and they undo each other. On the right-hand side, we have a bit of a problem. We know that the square root of a negative number is undefined. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use the square root property. And we're going to rewrite this as the square root of 25 times the square root of negative 1. Now how does that help us? Well, first of all, we can go ahead and find the square root of 25. That's 5. And we know that mathematicians have defined the square root of negative 1 as the imaginary unit I. And so the square root of negative 1 we will replace with I. We were asked to solve 4x squared plus 100 equals 0, and we have done that, and we know that x is equal to plus or minus 5i.